Hi, I'm Glory St. Germain. Arch pain. Who knew that arch pain could be so intense? Which is especially true for me. As a music teacher, arch pain can interfere using the piano pedal, even standing or sitting. In search of answers to this question, we created the Ultimate Music Yoga program just for you. And to get you started and to help you get rid of your arch pain, which can also interfere with your sleeping, here's Heather Kolankowski with an Ultimate Music Yoga tip.
Arch pain. We all suffer from this. We all wake up in the middle of the night with cramping arches, cramping feet, jumping out of bed, finding some way to alleviate this agonizing, crippling sensation. And the solution? My tennis ball. Here's what you can do to roll out your feet, eliminate, prevent, and soothe painful arches. Take your tennis ball and simply place it under your foot. Start rolling that ball under your foot, putting pressure into the ball as you feel necessary. Play with rolling right around the arch, right around the base of that big toe. Roll out the feet, the outer edge of your foot, your heels, and hang out anywhere that feels good. So who knew? A tennis ball. So simple. For these and other wonderful tips, visit ultimatemusicyoga.com. Namaste.